So I tak nak, that's what I was trying to say. Tapi I tak tahu dengan I cakap tu, it sounded like I tengah menghina how she's being brought up.
Atau dia sendiri interpret, are you saying that I don't hidup dalam suasana agama
tapi
gitu?
I tak salahkan dia pun. Sebab I baca balik cara I tulis pun memang dia sangat mengundang. Memang
Benda tu masa sangat besar masa tu.
It was so big that I don't know what to do, and I panic, and I cakap lah macam, boleh tak I nak buat like public, like I apology ke apa benda kan. Like just Papa cakap like don't write the issue, no need to say anything, you know your intention. People twist your words ke apa ke, you don't need to like defend yourself. Orang akan use this opportunity to lagi twist your word, and it will just make it bigger. True. So just stay silent, diam. And then the next day she apologized to me, Puteri Balqis. She made a video where she apologized to me, and I just feel even bad because I yang tersalah, I yang cakap salah, but it's not my intention at all. And